Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going over the ZKTeco AL40B smart door lock. This is a really cool lock that you can use in a residential or commercial setting. It comes with a weather stripping that goes around it so you can protect the internals from moisture damage. Several ways you can get this lock open is you can use the fingerprint reader to get it open. Additionally, you can touch the keypad and you will be able to type in the code that you set in order to open up the lock. You can use the backup key. You can use one of the key fobs that is provided, which you can program to this lock. And also you can use your smartphone app and get this lock open over Bluetooth. This is a really cool lock to check out, and what I'm going to do is show you some of the features right now. Alright, so the first thing you can do is you can use your fingerprint to get it open. So all you need to do is just place your fingerprint on the lock and it will open it right up. Another way you can open it up is you can touch the pad right on the front here, and then you're just going to type in your combination. For me, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pound. Another way you can do is get this lock opened up with the key fob. You're just going to place that right there. And then you can also use the smartphone app to get it open. And the next thing I want to do is show you opening it up with the backup key, but I do not wish to show the key in frame, so I'm going to cut to that right now. Alright, so I have the key in the lock right now, and this comes with a Schlage 6-pin key. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you that it opens up very easily, and that is a really nice backup to have because sometimes the battery might die or you might have an electronic failure, and it's always great to have a really great backup. The final thing I want to do is show you picking open this lock. Alright, so let's see what it takes to pick this lock open. With deadbolts in general, you always need to pick away from the door frame. So I'm going to put my bottom of the keyway tensioner in, and I'm going to try to get this open with my Bogota style rake. This is a 6-pin lock, and let's see how much of a fight it puts up. And we just got it open. So that was not too hard of a pick. What I need to do is get this cylinder fully turned, and our lock has opened right up. So what are some of my final thoughts on the ZKTeco AL40B smart door lock? I really like a lot of the features. I really enjoy being able to use the fingerprint reader, the keypad to get it open. I enjoy that it does have a backup keyway. I don't like the app very much. It hasn't been too helpful for me personally, and I just don't anticipate ever really using the key fob feature. But one thing that was very disappointing is the fact that this lock was able to pick open in just a few seconds. It does have a 6-pin key, so theoretically it is pinned up the 6 pins, and that should add a little bit more security to the lock. However, security is always as strong as its weakest link, and as you can tell, I have a window here, and if someone's going to want to try to get in, they're going to get in. But that is not going to be a fault to this lock, but that is something that they could always improve upon. Maybe they could add a few security pins just to make it a little bit more difficult. But either way, guys, this has just been a quick review of the ZKTeco AL40B. It has a lot of great features. It was pretty easy for me to install, and it feels like it's going to stay very well held together. If you guys would like to check out this lock, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link in the video description below so you can check it out. But if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.